Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing Math TV. Today we would like to share how to solve this question. Before that, let's recall the general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the roots of this equation are equal, which means that we should have b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Let's compare, and we should have negative 2 times ac plus bd the whole thing square minus 4 times of a squared plus b squared times c squared plus d squared is equal to 0. Let's expand. Minus 2 squared we should have 4, and square of ac plus bd we should have a squared c squared plus 2 times of ac bd plus b squared d squared, and for the second term we should have minus 4 times a squared c squared plus a squared d squared plus b squared c squared plus b squared d squared, and this is equal to 0. Next, I'm going to take 4 and divide the entire equation. So we should have a squared c squared plus 2ac bd plus b squared d squared negative positive negative a squared c squared minus a squared d squared minus b squared c squared minus b squared d squared is equal to 0. Next, let's simplify. We should remove the same value with one positive, one negative, which means that we left 2ac bd minus a squared d squared minus b squared c squared is equal to 0. Next, I'm going to take the negative of the equation, and we obtain a squared d squared minus 2ac bd plus b squared c squared is equal to 0. We can actually rewrite the equation and obtain a times d the whole thing square minus 2 times ad times bc plus bc the whole thing square, and this is equal to 0. Now let's recall that when we expand x minus y square, we should obtain x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. By comparing, we should have ad minus bc squared is equal to 0. If we take the square root of both sides, we should have ad minus bc is equal to 0, and hence we have ad is equal to bc, and hence we done. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.